Understanding, join us at the table, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases to uncover the meaning behind "join us at the table." This phrase is more than an invitation to sit down for a meal. It carries layers of meaning in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Let's explore together how this phrase can be used in various situations and understand its deeper implications. When someone says, "Join us at the table," they are often extending a straightforward invitation for you to sit down with them at a table. This could be for a meal, a meeting, or any gathering that involves people sitting together. The table symbolizes a shared space where individuals come together for a purpose, be it eating, discussing, or making decisions. Beyond its literal meaning, "join us at the table" can also be used metaphorically. In this context, it signifies an invitation to be part of a discussion, decision-making process, or an opportunity to share ideas and opinions. It conveys inclusivity and respect, suggesting that everyone's input is valued. This phrase can be particularly powerful in professional settings, workshops, or debates, emphasizing collaboration and equal participation. This phrase also carries cultural and social implications. "Join us at the table" can symbolize an offer of friendship, solidarity, or alliance. It's a way to welcome someone into a community or group, indicating that they are seen and recognized as a valuable member. In many cultures, sharing a meal is a sign of trust and camaraderie, so this phrase can resonate deeply on a personal level. When using this phrase, it's important to consider the context and your relationship with the person or group you're addressing. It can be a warm way to welcome someone new, encourage participation, or signal openness to diverse perspectives. "Join us at the table" is versatile, adaptable to both formal and informal settings, making it a useful phrase in your English communication toolkit. We hope this exploration of "join us at the table" has illuminated its rich meanings and uses in the English language. Whether inviting someone to share a meal or participate in a discussion, this phrase is a powerful tool for fostering connection and inclusivity. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic journey, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in future videos.